Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have the Mibao car floor mats for my Tesla. So this is for my Tesla Model Y, and I'll show you guys what these look like here. If I can open the box. So this is how they are. So they are nice heavy duty rubber, and we have a cleaning cloth as well. So I'll show you these. So here we go. That's going to be the driver's side one. Those look sweet. And this here is the passenger side one. These are really nice, really good quality looking. So we have those, and then we have the back seat ones here. So here will go in the back. I can get the plastic off. So here we go. I'll show you guys the back seat one first. So we'll go ahead and put this one in here. It's got little nubs on the back bottom, which is nice, so it'll keep it from sliding up down. It's a perfect fit here, so that's awesome. We'll go ahead and put one of these up front too. And it's got a little ridge around the top here, so if you do come with some wet stuff or whatever, it'll keep you nice and dry. So there we go. There's this one. Oh, nice! It's a perfect fit. I'm gonna go ahead and put the other one on too. So I'll go right around the other side. Here we are at the driver's side. My stuff, and it's got a perfect fit to go under the pedals and up on that little side thing. So look at that. That was so easy. These are awesome. Thumbs up for sure.